today I'll be showing you my wireless electricity projects.
As you can see here, it is.
And to quickly understand how it works, over here you have the battery, which is going into a transistor, and all the transistor does is stops and starts the electricity very quickly. That way you get a change in magnetic field, and the receiver can pick up the changes in the magnetic field. So now I wanted to generate a little bit more electricity than the previous circuit, so here's my second one. As you can see, this one generates a lot more electricity than the previous circuit at a further distance as well, whereas this one is very dim. Still there, but not as much. See, you can put something in between, it goes right through that. So how this circuit works is I have a speaker wire here, and the cool thing about a speaker wire is that it's two wires running alongside each other, a resistor going into a transistor over here, and the transistor does the same thing in starting and stopping the current, powered by a battery.